Premium chat review. Can you make money here on premium chat? But first of all, guys, if you want to make money online, get my number one recommendation to make money from home. Click the link down below in the description of this CQ video. I will send you my number one recommendation to make money from home. Let's talk about the premium chat. Premium chat, you know, it is well designed, guys. It is well designed. The way they designed this website, you know, you can think that you can make money here, but it's not. You know, you can't make money here on this website. I'm gonna tell you why. You know, this is a fake website, guys. This is a fake website. Get paid to chat with clients, fans, and followers. This is a fake, guys. This is fake. You know, they say that per minute when chatting with people, let me see, you're doing audios, maybe video calls. You know, get paid by doing that. And they even claim that you can make up to 40,000 per month by chatting with people. This is a fake, guys. I'm gonna tell you, this is a fake. I'm gonna even show you why I mean by doing that. Why I mean by that. Look at this. I can guarantee this picture. These are the stock photos. These are the stock photos. These are not real people. These are the stock photos. These are not real people. Be aware of it. Be aware of it, guys. Do not fall into this kind of scam. Pay to chat the way you want. Don't even bother, man. Don't even bother to create your account here. Get paid to do video calls. And everyone will be rich in the internet. Like you can earn up to $4 per minute when doing video calls. We will all be rich, guys. We don't have time to search for these kind of things, you know, don't you think? Look at this. Get paid to do video call. You can end up with $4 to do a live video call per minute. Is that even true? Like, it doesn't make sense to you guys. I'm just being honest with you now. Let me ask yourself this question. It doesn't make sense. They say that you're doing a video call to your friends, to your family, to your husband, to your friend, to your girlfriend, to your boyfriend. You can get $4 per minute to do video call. Does it make sense to you? Does it make sense to you? Can you get that kind of money? No. So do not fall to this kind of scam, guys. To this kind of scammy website. I've seen it. That look, all of these pictures here. These are the stock pictures. These are not a real person. These are not a real person, guys. Do not fall to this kind of scam website. Look at this. You get $3 to chat with people. Look at this one. I'm sure you have WhatsApp, guys. I'm sure you have social media platforms. They say that you can get paid by texting to someone on social media. It is not true, guys. This is not true. Look at this one. Donna Spencer. That is a stock image. That is a stock photo. It's not a real person. All of this thing is being edited. There is no way you can get this kind of money. They say that you can get paid to do phone calls. Okay, you look at this one. Look at this one. Look at this one, guys. Monetize your time with a fast, a flexible. Look at this. It's a scam, guys. You're not gonna get paid to these kind of things. I had it enough about this fake website. I've tried this kind of website in the past, guys. I've tried them all. I know which one is legit. I know which one is fake. Okay? Let's see. I want to see something. When you click here, earning potential, let's see this. It's gonna blow your mind. Look at this one. They say per year, per month, you can earn up to $2,250 per month by chatting with people online. Not only that, you can earn up to 45,000 per month. You can earn up to 6 figures by chatting with people per month, guys. Per week, you can earn up to $10,500 per week. Is that this thing doesn't make sense to you on your mind that you can make this kind of money? I'm just being transparent with you guys. Have a real expectations, okay? So forget about this scam website, guys. If you want to get my number one legitimate way to make money from home, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I will send you my #1 recommendation to make money from home. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections. I'm gonna get back to you as soon as I can. Take care and may God bless you. Sharp, guys.